This is just a universal sewing needle. This is what all of us are used to. And if you're seeing this needle in my hand right now, you definitely know this, or the one on the table. So if you take a closer look at this, can you see what I have in my hand? This is a needle. And let me take this other one and show you guys something. If you see this, you can see that the two needles are actually of the same machine, but they are thicker than one another, which is obvious. So I'll show you guys and I'll tell you guys more about understanding sewing needle in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Olasukomi and today I'll be telling you more about needles so that we'll have a good understanding of needles. All of us have an understanding of DBX1, which is general, and the sizes varies from size 12, size 14, size 16, size 18, 20, 24. So the basic fundamental that I want you guys to understand in this video is what I'm about to tell you guys. If you have this understanding, it's going to change a lot of things when it comes to sewing anything and having a perfect stitch. So pay attention to this video. So watch closely. So here on my hand I have a 16 size 16 DBX1 size 16. I know you all are familiar with these measurements of needles and stuffs like that. So the basic fundamental that I want you to understand is that the higher the number, the higher the size, the thicker the mouth of the needle. Are you getting the point? So the lower the number, the tinier the mouth of the needle. So I want you to reason it in this aspect, which I've actually come to find out is that when you're sewing a lighter fabric, you're going to use a very lighter needle in order to get a very straight and smooth stitch on your outfit. Are you getting? There are so many needles that are tailored specifically to some kind of fabric, which I'll be talking on another video, which include some needles that are mainly for maybe like a jean, a denim, a lace fabric, a linen, a cotton material. But this is the needle I will use. If you're using this kind of a needle, this exactly DB size 14, you can use it for a jean. You're going to sew it, but you might not get the kind of stitch that you need, that is supposed to be there. Are you getting? So here I just want you guys to have an understanding. If you want to sew a shirt, I will advise you to go for just experiment with it, try it out, go for like another needle. This is just like a trick that I'm giving you guys that will change a whole lot of things. Try and go for a lighter needle. If you're sewing like maybe a shirt, I believe you'd have seen like a ready-made shirt and wonder how do they get this kind of a stitch on their, you get this thing are sealed by human. So I want you to just try and experiment with it. This is just a trick. It's a cheat code that I'm giving you. So try and go for like a lighter needle. Are you getting? So I'm going to show you guys something in this. As you can see right here in my hand, I have a DB16. You can see that. And this other one here is a DBX1, which is size 14. So this is a little bit lower than this one that is right there. So let me pop this out so that you guys can see something. Okay, right here. These all are universal. You can use it to sew anything, but basically there's some needles are meant for specific things. So if you take a closer look at this, which will be the main thing that I want you to pay attention to. Okay, take a closer look at this other one right here. If you pay attention, you're going to see that one is actually thicker than the other. The 16, this one, if you use the 16 to make a shirt, you're going to sew normal, it's going to work, but you can't get that perfect stitch. And if you use the 14, you're going to get a better stitch, which is the difference. So that is it on this video, just an hint. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumb up, and if you're yet to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace, and do enjoy yourself.